The ADT Touchscreen provides convenient control for your ADT smart home security system. In this video, we'll walk you through using its features and getting the most out of your professionally installed ADT Touchscreen. First, make sure you're logged into your Wi-Fi network and your ADT Plus account. Now, let's get to know your ADT Touchscreen. Take a look at the device's interface and display. Explore the features and functions that will allow you to quickly view and manage your ADT smart home security system. The built-in proximity sensor detects your presence within a 3-foot range and turns on automatically, ready for you to engage. If the touchscreen is off, press the power button on the top to turn it back on. The dashboard provides a central view of your smart home security system. Here, you can check the arming status, history of events for the current day, and smart home devices. You can easily navigate between screens by swiping. For example, swiping left on the arming screen will take you to the history dashboard. Tapping the labeled control buttons at the bottom of the screen will take you directly to the selected dashboard. The ADT Touchscreen also supports your Z-Wave home devices. From the smart home dashboard, you can access compatible smart devices, such as lights and locks, if you've connected them to your ADT system. You can easily arm or disarm your security system from the dashboard. To change to armed stay, start by tapping the disarmed icon in the center of the screen, then just follow the prompts. If you've enabled one-touch arming, you'll bypass the security code screen. And keep in mind, the delay countdown must finish before your system is fully armed. To get access to the menu options from the dashboard, select the menu icon in the top left of the screen. Here, you can view your account information. And when you select Touchscreen, you can access the device settings, such as audio volume, display brightness, and Wi-Fi, and edit these to your liking. Curious about today's activities? Just tap the History button at the bottom to access a screen displaying your system's recent history. The touchscreen displays notifications regarding your system and devices. If you see an error notification, tap on it. You'll see what issue the device has and get troubleshooting options to help resolve it. With the emergency button on every screen, accessing emergency options on the touchscreen is easy. Simply tap the red emergency button at the top of the touchscreen and quickly see the police, medical, or fire options. Finally, if your touchscreen displays an offline message, you may have lost Wi-Fi connection. Select Troubleshooting for help getting your touchscreen back online. That's it! You now know the basics of using your ADT touchscreen to easily control your ADT smart home security system. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT security devices and system, or to chat with an agent.